Ultimate Life Planner Walkthrough. Hey everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm excited to give you a complete walkthrough of my Ultimate Life Planner for Notion. If you've been looking for a single place to organize your goals, routines, projects, finances, habits, and everyday life, this might be exactly what you need. So, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll see is the main dashboard. Everything is designed to feel clean, organized, and easy to navigate. Right from the homepage, you have quick access to your daily, weekly, and monthly priorities, along with shortcuts to every major area of the planner. The goal is simple: less time searching for things, and more time actually getting things done. Let's start with the monthly planner. If we open January, you'll find a dedicated monthly workspace designed to help you stay focused throughout the month. You have a wish list section for things you're saving for or planning to purchase, a task manager for important projects and deadlines, a finance tracker where you can monitor both income and expenses, and a reflection journal where you can capture thoughts, lessons, and memorable moments from each day. Everything you need for monthly planning lives in one place. Next, let's head over to the Personal Hub. This is one of my favorite sections because it acts like a digital cozy corner for your life. You can keep track of movies, anime, and shows you want to watch, organize your reading list, save your favorite playlists and music discoveries, and maintain a beautifully structured daily journal. It's a space designed for personal growth, hobbies, memories, and everything that makes life enjoyable outside of work. Now let's take a look at the home dashboard. This section focuses on your physical environment and daily routines. You'll find a house wish list for future purchases and home improvement ideas, along with an interactive checklist for recurring tasks and routines. As you check things off, your progress updates automatically, making it easy to see how much you've accomplished throughout the day. There's also a dedicated area for cleaning reminders and household management. It's simple, but incredibly helpful for staying on top of everyday responsibilities. Moving into the Work Hub, this section was designed with creators, freelancers, students, and professionals in mind. Here you'll find a weekly task planner laid out from Monday through Sunday, making it easy to visualize your workload. There's also a social media growth tracker for monitoring milestones and progress across platforms. And for larger projects, you can break tasks into smaller actionable steps. As you complete those subtasks, the project progress updates automatically. It's a great way to keep long-term projects moving forward without feeling overwhelmed. Next up is the meal tracker. If meal planning has ever felt messy or difficult to maintain, this section helps simplify the entire process. You can save recipes using clean recipe cards with ingredients and step-by-step instructions, build a personal collection of favorite meals, and organize your grocery planning using the food wish list and shopping lists. Everything stays neatly organized and easy to access whenever you need it. Now let's move into the habit tracker. If consistency is one of your goals, you're probably going to spend a lot of time here. The dashboard includes a built-in streak system that helps make habit building more motivating. You can track your daily habits, watch your progress update throughout the day, and monitor how consistently you're showing up for your goals. And because everything syncs with the calendar view, you can quickly look back and see patterns, wins, and areas where you may want to improve. It's a simple system designed to encourage progress, not perfection. And finally, we're back on the main dashboard. One thing I love about this layout is that your most important priorities are always visible. You can quickly review your daily, weekly, and monthly focus areas without digging through multiple pages. And if you're completely new to the planner, don't worry. There's a full Start Here guide included inside the template. It walks you through the setup process, customization options, and everything you need to get started. And that's the Ultimate Life Planner, a complete system designed to help you organize your life, stay intentional, and create more clarity in your everyday routine. If you'd like this exact Notion template, it's available through the link in the description and on my website. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.